What if rain wasn't just water, but a toxic ooze from the heavens? Clear, jelly-like blobs that turned a sleepy town into a nightmare of sickness and suspicion. Imagine waking to your car smeared in slime, only to learn touching it could send you to the ER, gasping for breath. For over 3 decades, this hasn't been a sci-fi plot, it's the chilling reality of Oakville, Washington, where the sky literally rained poison in 1994. Was it a freak accident, a covert experiment, or something far stranger? Hold on tight. We're plunging into one of America's most baffling unsolved enigmas, where every drop hides a deadly secret. The Midnight Deluge. In Oakville, a tiny Washington logging town, a strange storm hit around 3 a.m. on August 7, 1994. Instead of rain, residents saw translucent, gelatinous blobs, about the size of rice grains, coating cars, lawns, and roads. This odorless, jiggly jelly wasn't hail or bird droppings. Eyewitnesses scooped it up, watching it slowly evaporate, leaving a sticky residue. Over 3 weeks, the blobs fell 6 times, always with rain and confined to Oakville's small area. Nearby towns saw only brief sightings. Locals reported low-flying aircraft humming overhead before each downpour, adding to the eerie mystery. Sickness strikes, a town under siege. The horror didn't stop at the weird weather. Hours after the first fall, a wave of illness crashed over Oakville. Dozens reported extreme fatigue that pinned them to beds, racking nausea, vertigo that spun rooms sideways, labored breathing as if lungs were filling with sludge, and vision blurring into a hazy fog. It hit fast and hard. One woman, Sunny Barsalift, watched her healthy cat lap at a blob on the floor, only for it to convulse and die within hours. Dogs fared no better, collapsing after romps through tainted yards. By day's end, the local clinic overflowed with patients. Some rushed to hospitals 20 miles away. Health officials scrambled, but patterns emerged. Symptoms mirrored severe respiratory infections, yet no fever or traditional bugs showed up in initial checks. Lab probes, clues in the goo. In search of answers, locals collected the strange jelly and rushed it to labs. Tests revealed it teemed with biological material, 2 bacterial strains, including Pseudomonas fluorescens, known for causing illness in vulnerable people. Strangers still were cell-like traces resembling human white blood cells, though experts ruled out a mammalian origin due to missing nuclei. The goo was 95% water, mixed with proteins and marine-like algae, yet no toxins explained the widespread sickness. One lab called it acellular, meaning structureless but biologically active. Attempts to culture it failed. Some samples even degraded or vanished, sparking talk of a cover-up. National media, including Unsolved Mysteries, spotlighted the case, but federal agencies dismissed deeper investigation. In the end, the skyborne slime remained a mystery, potent, puzzling, and silent. Theories that stick, and those that slither away. Explanations came quickly, but none stuck. One early theory blamed airplane waste, ruptured sewage tanks dumping blue fluid mid-flight. But Oakville's blobs were clear, odorless, and chemically clean. No pilot reports, no target logic. Next, the jellyfish angle. Navy bombing off the coast could have aerosolized marine life, sending organic mist inland. It matches the bacteria found, but not the scentless, stable blobs. Folklore chimed in with star jelly, a mythic goo from meteors or frog spawn swept skyward. Charming, but with no meteors and little science, it faded fast. Then the darker theory, military testing. Oakville borders joint bases, and residents reported low-flying, unmarked jets before the rain. Suspicions of bioweapons trials linger, and declassified docs confirm germ warfare simulations nearby. Still, no smoking gun, echoes of the unsolved. Decades on, Oakville's mystery endures. No blob rain since '94, but each year whispers return. Podcasts dissect it, locals trade stories, and online sleuths pore over old photos. Health agencies cite coincidence or underreporting, yet survivor accounts persist. Most samples are gone, lost to time, or lab accidents, and official probes remain buried as anomalies. In a world of chemtrails and UFOs, Oakville lingers as a sticky reminder. Sometimes the sky doesn't lie. It just won't confess. Nature's prank, human hubris, or something engineered. The truth dissolved with the blobs, but one fact stands. Once the heavens wept poison and were still wiping it from memory. If this slimy saga of Oakville's toxic rain left you queasy with questions, slam that like button to fuel our hunt for hidden truths. Subscribe to Mystery Hub Facts for your weekly dose of the strange and unsettling, and drop a comment below. Military plot or meteor muck? What theory sends shivers down your spine? Join the Mystery Hub Facts tribe now, and let's unravel the eerie unknown together.